Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to make a form with WordPress using JotForm. So as you can see over here, we are at jotform.com and this is our um, WordPress, right? So right now we are going to sign in on JotForm and it's free and you can just sign in. Obviously you can see it's free, and I'm going to sign in with my uh, obviously email, and I'm going to show you how to create a form like real quick and how you can add that on your WordPress, right? The main purpose of this video. So right now you can see we are at the landing page of JotForm, and what you need to click on create form. And if you have like used this already, this jot form, you can skip this part, but I'm just going to create like real quick so I can understand how you can add that. So before, like, because we have already made a tutorial for this particular jot form video and you can check that out on our channel, but still I'm just going to tell you like a little bit of it. So you can just start from like very scratch, otherwise I'm going with the template for this tutorial. And you can see there's a lot of forms and every single thing over here, and on the left side we have filters and different categories. So I'm just going with this payment form, and I'm going with this, and you can see this is a form which we will add on our page through WordPress, right? So click on use template. It will open up on a different tab, and over here you can see organize settings, set your organization logo or name, and to use it in your form, your organization name. So if you want to add that, just do it. And there are uh, the things which you can edit. So if you click over here, add the title. If you want, you can just click on here properties accordingly to this only. You can see over here on the right side you will find multiple properties over here. You can just go ahead and click on small, large, center alignment if you want that, and you can add products over here, their prices over here. And on the left side you will find more elements over here. Like if you want to add name, just click on it and it will add up over here. Otherwise, if you want to add something over here, just click on over here and drag that out over here, and this will be the email. So obviously you just drag that over here. If you click over here on the properties of this element, you can just like go ahead and click over here, set the alignment if you want. It's all on you. So this is a very basic thing, you can do that. And obviously we have different tutorial for this. If you want to check that out, go ahead and check our channel, and you can find multiple things over here. So I'm just going with this, the same one, same PayPal Pro payment form, and you can add logo from over here if you want to add that. And I'm going with the settings, and you can see that our title would be this, and obviously our status will be enabled. So what is status? It will be available for everyone if we share this form. So if you want to preview this form, you can see on the top right corner, you just click on preview form and it will show how it will look like and what would be the link, and this is how it will look like. But obviously we need this on our WordPress, right, on our website. So just go back, go to I guess not here, maybe after publish, click on publish, and you can see that we can copy this and just share this to anyone, and yes, we will find our HTML code over here. So this HTML code would be the big part in our WordPress situation. So what we can do right now, just leave it over here. So this is our form which we will add through JotForm, right? And this is our HTML coding, right? So right now you need to go at dashboard of WordPress, go to plugins, and go to add new JotForm, search for JotForm because we need a plugin, right? You can see there are a lot of over here, so which one to choose, right? You need to add this one, JotForm online forms, drag and drop form builder, and etc. You can see the details over here. Click on install and wait for it, activate it, and it has been added to your plugins library. So you can see this is where we can find our JotForm. After that, our last step would be go to your pages, all pages, your website pages, right? And for this tutorial, I'm just going with this normal one, or we can just go ahead and click on sample page. Just click on edit, and here we are. This is the sample page, and right over here, just suppose I want to add that PayPal Pro payment form, and obviously after adding every single thing over here, you would copy this code from over here and come over here on the WordPress, click on this plus icon and search for JotForm, or maybe click on search for HTML. Sorry, click on HTML. Over here you can find, I guess from over here you can just paste it maybe. So after entering this your code, just click on update, and obviously we need to preview it, right? Just click on preview in new tab, and if you scroll down you can see that we have our PayPal Pro payment form, and it's very easy. You can see that it's very easy to add your form over here through JotForm. And if you close this, sorry, and if you want to edit something, obviously go back, something you want to don't add from over here, like this, and just go ahead after that and go to settings, change the settings. If you want, go ahead and click on embed again and refresh that page after pasting this again, and easily you can see that it will preview the same thing which you have edited on your JotForm. So this is how you can add your JotForm on WordPress, and you can see this is very easy. The process we need, it's on the jotform.com itself, where you will edit and edit their style and every single thing, or you want to add your logo, your headings, and every single thing else. So this is where you are going to spend much of the time instead of going on WordPress and spending there. You just need to add HTML code, and that's it. You will find that on your website. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. It's very easy. If you lost somewhere, just go ahead and watch this video again, and if you have any queries, just comment down below. Thank you for watching this video, and please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.